full of music, a rhythm of its own design. This is my family, a perfect constellation. So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Whoa, let's be clear up while I runs this show. Whoa, she let us here so many years ago. Whoa, and every year our family blessings grow. There's just a lot you simply got to know. So, welcome to the family Madrigal, the home of the family Madrigal. We're on our way, where all the people are fantastical and magical. I'm part of the family Madrigal.
Oh my gosh, it's them! What are the gifts? I can't remember all the gifts.
All right, relax.
It is physically impossible to relax everything. What are your powers? Just tell us what everyone can do.
And that's why coffee's for grown-ups. My tia Peppa, her mood affects the weather. When she's unhappy, well, the temperature gets weird. My Theo Bruno,
We don't talk about Bruno.
they say he saw the future. One day he disappeared. Oh, and that's why Mom Julieta, here's her deal. Whoa, the truth is she can heal you with a meal. Whoa, her recipes are remedies for real. If you're impressed, imagine how I feel, Mom. Welcome to the family Madrigal, the home of the family.